Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix invalid destination addresses issue on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. You will see. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on messages app. Click on storage. After click on storage, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, click on clear data. After the process, click on delete. Go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so click on settings app, scroll down to and click on general management and click on reset and click on reset mobile network settings. Reset settings, enter your phone pin, click on continue. And after click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix invalid destination addresses issue on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.